Hello, it's Micah from Let's Eat, and today I'm going to be trying something different. Okay, don't freak out when I say this. I'm going to be doing a mukbang, however you pronounce that. I'm not going to be eating a crap ton of food because I don't want to be like Mr. Avocado, where I can hardly live, walk, and breathe. I'm going to be doing a normal size mukbang, where I actually eat a normal portion of food. I just have a 2 for $5 McMuffins. I don't have a giant plate of weird blue taki nachos. Just a sandwich. I don't know why I'm doing this, but oh well. Hope you enjoy it. Yum. Yum. Okay, you know, this legit kind of sucks. Sorry.